Okay, we have a shopping haul, and honestly, it was a really large shopping haul because it's been a while since I've been to the food store. So we have Sam's Club over here, and then we go into Walmart. I'm going to start at Walmart because we got some bread. I took some burgers out of the freezer. When I'm recording this, it is Saturday before Super Bowl. So we're going to do burgers. We have some just regular king bread because that's kind of a staple in our house. And I'm going to show you a receipt too. We got some food for the cat outside, food for the cats inside. We tried bringing the outdoor cat in. He's just too feral, so I have like a makeshift little warm box out there for him, and I feed him every day. I mean, it's sad. I wish he wasn't outside, but he's beyond being able to be domesticated now, which is, it's a sin. But back to the grocery haul. So the cat food, I did grab up some yeast Nick made pretzels that were really good the other day. So I'm going to try and talk him into making more pretzels. I grabbed up some sugar for my mom. She uses no calorie sweetener. So I grabbed that up since I saw it. I grabbed up a whole bunch of pastas. I got some bow tie, some penne, some rigatoni for pasta salad. I grabbed some spaghetti because, spaghetti. I did grab these up. I don't know when I'm making them, but I grabbed them. And then I did grab this because we love Cabot's cheese. So I'm interested to see how the mac and cheese is. Hopefully that's good. I grabbed some cranberries, dried cranberries, because a request has been made for oatmeal cranberry cookies. So I'm going to make some of those. I did grab some sugar. And then I also bought these. Mia loves lemon, anything lemon, cookies, bars. We're going to try them. We're going to see how good they are. Fingers crossed. And then, to balance out that, I did get some fresh. We got a cucumber, bananas, some carrots. I did have to buy some coffee because it's been a while since my store has had it. And a little money-saving tip, if you like your Starbucks coffee, which we do, we mix it with this and the Starbucks goes a lot longer. And this is a heck of a lot cheaper. We got some stress relief tea. Wasn't able to find this one for a little while too. Some Rice Krispies because I'm going to do Rice Krispie treats one week. I already have the marshmallows. This is all my frozen stuff back here. I like to do a lot of frozen peas, some frozen corn, some frozen string beans. The kids like the mini corn dogs. If they'll eat them, I'll buy them. What else did we get? Wow, there's a lot here. Canadian bacon, because I'm going to do my own form of like the McDonald's Egg McMuffins. So we got some Canadian bacon. I have some yogurts here. I like to use this one for smoothies. I do fruit smoothie with banana. And then this one, I saw a recipe for like a cheesecake kind of thing that you use with cheesecake pudding. So I want to try that. I got some regatta cheese because I'm going to make it's a sweet sausage with regatta cheese on a baguette with caramelized onions and balsamic vinegar, like a balsamic demi-glaze. That one's really good. I did get, if you saw my last video, our Cheez-Its were all expired, or not expired, they were stale. So I did grab a little classic snack mix. I got some cream cheese in case anybody wants buffalo chicken dip for Super Bowl. I grabbed up a few of these. Nick likes these. I'm not going to butcher that, but this is what they are. He likes the strawberry and he likes the original. So I grabbed up a few of those. And then I got this swirl bread that looks really good. Lemon blueberry. So we'll see how that is. We got some baked beans. Don't know for what, but we have them. And then some creamy Caesar. We're really loving this Caesar salad dressing. That one's a really good one. So this is all Walmart. I think I have chicken wings that I bought at Walmart too. But I also did buy a trash can because our trash can has fallen apart. Man, it's like raining, it's pouring. And I bought ice scrapers for Greg and Nick Mia has one. It was the only one we had in the house apparently, so I had to buy an ice scraper for them. Now we're going to move into Sam's Club. Sam's Club we did a little more fresh too. We have some grapes, hoping they have some Snap. We got some blueberries. I bought 2 because I will give my mom a blueberry when I take her food shopping on Monday. We got some strawberries. I'm hoping they're good. I know it's not quite seasoned yet, but hopefully they are good. I got some cans of chicken, one for the buffalo chicken dip if anybody wants it. I grabbed some olive oil. I bought the smaller one because the big one is like $35 now, so that's a little steep. We've been using avocado oil a lot instead of the olive oil because this is $10, this is $25. So yeah, it's a little sticker shock. I got these CI bowls again. We really like those, so I grabbed them up. They were the only ones that had the Post Malone Oreos. So they're in little packets. We're going to try them. I got the English muffins for, like I said, the Egg McMuffins that I'm going to make. We got some Tostitos for salsa, for queso, and then for the chicken dip. Nick's Doritos, because he loves his Doritos, so we grabbed those up. Another thing of Cheez-Its, it has the 2 bags in here. So those are good for snack. And sushi? The kids love Sam's Club sushi. So we grabbed up some sushi. Nick had his for lunch. Mia's going to have hers for dinner. I needed to grab up mayo, so we grabbed mayo. We're going to try a new Dr. Pepper because Dollar General had really good sale on their soda, so we grabbed some of that. Rising crust pizza from Sam's Club. It had 3 in there and it was like $10, so you couldn't beat that. Definitely interested in trying that, so I'm hoping they're good. So I think, yeah, we got Dr. Pepper and Pepsi, and then strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper. So we're going to see how they are. I've heard in our area they've stopped making or stopped shipping the creamy coconut, which was one of our favorites. So here is Walmart haul, and then I have more on the other side. Okay, so this is what I have on the other side. I did grab the chicken wings in case we want wings instead of chicken dip. This I grabbed from Walmart because my app said that Sam's Club didn't have them in stock. I grabbed up some bacon from Sam's Club. I've never had this. It has a 3-pack of them. So we're going to try that out. Nick's really liking these. He said they taste a lot like Arby's chicken strips. So we have 1 bag. They're almost empty. I grabbed another one. You can't go to Sam's Club without getting a rotisserie chicken. You can't buy a rotisserie chicken and cook it at home for cheaper than what they have it. Don't understand it, but yeah. Egg bites. Just because, yeah, some mornings we just need a quick, easy 8-minute in the air fryer breakfast. The caramel frappuccinos. I love these things. I don't usually buy them because 1, they're expensive, and 2, the caffeine. I try and stay away from a lot of caffeine, but these were only $6 for the case. The regular ones are $21. They're doing a clearance on them, so I'm sure they're discontinuing them because they're not moving in my Sam's Club, I guess. So I grabbed up 2 cases because even 2 cases was less than what you can get a regular case for. And then we got donuts. We got it, we mix up. Not so healthy. Fruits and veggies healthy. Notice there's a lot less fruits and veggies though.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. The queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He
It's not Pinterest perfect, but everything was able to fit in here. I did have to go in the next day and kind of straighten everything out. And you could see the fridge was getting annoyed with me. I had the door open for too long and it flashing the lights at me, which it doesn't make me go faster. It just makes me not be able to see what the heck I'm doing.
Loving something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speak in my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you.
I just forget. I bought mozzarella and I bought butter. I don't know how that totally forgot about that. What I did was I got everything home and put it in the fridge real quick because I was out for a little bit because I went to 3 different stores. So I wanted to get the stuff that I had out the longest in the fridge and the freezer as quickly as possible. And then I just took it out to do the kind of overview, and then I'm putting it all back. So in order to make life a little bit easier, I am going to meal prep a few things. One is going to be a chicken salad. The rotisserie chicken that I bought at Sam's Club, I will use that for 2 meals. So not only kind of, trying to make life easier, but also trying to stretch those grocery dollar budget as well. Because this I'll use for chicken Caesar salad for one night, which I think I have a video where I just kind of quickly went over the chicken Caesar salad that I make. But right now I'm going to make a chicken salad, and I'm going to use pecans, cranberries, apple, mayo, mustard, and a little bit of garlic powder and pepper. You can add salt, but the Dijon mustard is kind of salty and the chicken is kind of salty. I mean, that is, the convenience of the chicken is one. I don't have to cook it. It's only $4, but then I also don't get to control the ingredients in it. And I find they tend to be a little more on the salty side. And like I was saying earlier, I can't buy a rotisserie chicken for less than like $8 or $9. So the fact that I can grab this for $5 and I can make 2 meals out of it, kind of 2 meals and a half, because Greg will take the legs and the wings for a lunch, and then I'll use the breast for the chicken salad here, and then I'll also use the other breast for chicken Caesar salad. So I hope you guys try this. I've been putting this on the Dave's Killer Bread. It needs to have something a little more mayo-y, that bread, because it is a very dry bread. I have tried toasting it. I'm not a fan of it toasted, so untoasted chicken salad, a little bit of extra mayo on it because it, like I said, the bread is a little dry.
I'm faithful like a blind girl's. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. We were walking on the sidewalk when we bumped into this person that I knew. I knew you thought it was an old flame, but I told you it's not, so let it go. It go. I try to make you see that I would not betray you in a million years. So why, oh why do you still flee when you are all that I want? I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's. I'm faithful like a blind girl's.
The next lunch or dinner idea, we're actually going to have this for dinner tonight, is a warm pastrami sandwich. So you need some pastrami, some Swiss cheese, some seeded mustard, some Grey Poupon Dijon mustard, and rye bread. We happen to have a rye bread that's seeded. However, it's not cut. I didn't notice that when I got it, but I'm gonna cut it. I don't know how well that's gonna go because I tend to cut bread a little wonky when I have to cut it on my own, but that's okay.
Every time I give you love, you still look so down. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh.
So once the bread is all sliced up, now I'm just going to go in and butter one side of each of the bread, because you're kind of going to make it like a grilled cheese, and that's what's going to warm the center and make the pastrami warm and also melt the cheese a little bit. And since I'm making 4 sandwiches, I like to kind of just stack everything up and assembly line it instead of making one at a time. So stacked everything up, ready to go. We're going to put some seeded mustard on one side. I'm going to put Dijon mustard on the other side, and then you're just going to stack your cheese and your pastrami however you would like it. I tend to do like little folds of the pastrami or any lunch meat that I get, just because you kind of eat with your eyes first, so you want it to be appealing. And anytime I see lunch meat just kind of slapped on there flat, and then you have a flat sandwich, it just, I don't know, you eat with your eyes, so let's make it pretty.
I live it. That's my tune. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up. We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up.
Once my pan is hot, I'm going to add a little bit more butter. I have the butter on the bread, but I just want to make sure nothing sticks. I'm going to put these into the pan, and then I'm going to watch them closely, only because I used a high output burner when I was making these, and I wanted to make sure I didn't burn anything. Although we never burn anything here. It's always searing it. The sandwich that you saw me put to the side, that's going to be Greg's sandwich. He was working late this night, so I'll make his when he gets closer to the time that he gets home. Then I'm just going to clean up everything and put it away. Flip them over. You can see I got a nice brown toasty side, and I'm going to put them on a lower heat just so that I can make sure the middle gets nice and heated through.
You need more time. You've already spent most of mine.
Since the pastrami is a little salty, I'm going to have my lightly salted chips and just a few of those. And I'm also going to slice up a deli-style pickle to put on the side as well. I hope you guys try one of these 2 recipes, especially the chicken salad. It is really good. I do like that one a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one, which the next one will be my first day of school. So make sure you subscribe.
When it falls